Good morning. It's 10 a.m. and we're just sitting in our hotel room waiting until checkout at 12 o'clock. The problem is that our flight to Ho Chi Minh City is not until 5 o'clock. So we don't want to get to the airport too early, probably 3 o'clock at the earliest. So between checkout at 12 and 3 o'clock, we've still got to kill 3 hours. Our flight today is with Bamboo Airlines. And I'm getting quite anxious and stressed out about the whole thing because it's imperative that this flight goes ahead so we can get to Ho Chi Minh City to catch our flight home to Australia tomorrow. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Okay. Alright, we've checked out of our room and we've left our bags in the foyer of the hotel. Now we're just going to go and walk out and get a coffee or a drink or something to kill a bit of time before we head to the airport.
I thought maybe we could have a smoothie at that Brynmag shop.
Oh yeah?
They were nice.
Sounds good. This has actually been one of our favourite places the whole time we've been here. Just down the road, and they do really good mango smoothies. Just want to get a photo of it before we go home. So quiet. It feels a little bit like last person out of Vietnam, please turn off the lights.
Have a great flight.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. Yep, there he is. Oh. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, this is the domestic airport, and I'm pretty sure I've never been in an airport building with so few people in it. Well, I found my beer cooler. I try to get one from every country, and now I've got one from Vietnam. Vietnam, happiness for all.
Xin mời hành khách đến bến tàu hành vi 153 của hãng hàng không.
Alright, well that's our domestic flight done, but while we're here at the airport we're going to actually walk over to the international terminal to check on our flight tomorrow. Well, that wasn't very helpful at all. We saw a couple of guys on a Jetstar check-in counter and asked them if they thought our flight might go ahead tomorrow, and they said, we don't know, it changes hour by hour, just going to have to come back tomorrow and hopefully your flight goes ahead. I'm not feeling very confident, and I don't know if I'm even going to get any sleep tonight, but there's nothing else that we can do at this point. Thank you. We just got dropped off in the middle of a busy area, and apparently the hotel's through here. I hope it's out here. We found it.
Hello, sir.
How are you? Our room at the Gemini's Saigon, it's not too bad. The bathroom wall is a little bit see-through, so lucky we're married. and the veranda is in a cage, and I can hear some sort of weird karaoke thing going on outside there. Have a listen. Alright, so we're finally at our hotel, and we're not even going to bother go out and get any dinner, but we're just going to pop over to a mini mart, get some milk so we can make some cups of tea, and then probably catch an early night ready for whatever happens tomorrow. Okay, see you then.